We've been keeping a secret. We're officially house flippers. We bought a 3-bed, 2-bath ranch and all of its contents, and we're taking you along for the whole journey. We are going to do most of the work ourselves and show you the whole renovation inside and out, and how we balance it all with homeschooling and life as a family of 7. When you see this house, you might think we are crazy to say it's a dream come true. But flipping houses is something we've always wanted to do, and we can't wait for you to see it and come along on the journey. All right, so we closed this morning on the property. We're really excited. It's kind of crazy. It actually is really nice to finally be closed and not to be like in limbo, wondering if something's going to happen, something's going to go wrong, because now it's ours. We own it. And so we're really excited to start flipping with it and take you guys along for the whole journey as to how we did it. So we completely renovated our house in 2015, 2016 before we moved in, and now we get to do it again. We've always desired to do it one more time at least, and this time God just kind of put it in our laps. It is a cute little ranch. It is a 3-bed, 2-bath. We are so excited to renovate it and just clean it up. It's going to be so beautiful at the end. We're really excited about this, but there is a lot of clean out. You're going to see in a second. This is the garage. Most of this was in the attic, and we have already cleared out probably 15 to 20 contractor bags from stuff that was just in the attic, not including the house. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we bought the house, everything in it. This is going to be quite a bit of work, but we are so excited. So first things we are going to do is actually work on the outside of the house. It's starting to get a little bit chilly here in Ohio, and all of the outside work needs to be done first. We need to clear out all of this excess landscaping, clean up the backyard, fix this cute little outdoor kitchen you're going to see, and also do some other things that we can't wait to show you. But we have to get ready before winter comes, and then we'll move to the inside. Right now, the outside is our main priority, and you'll see that here in this video. But first, let's take you through the rest of the house for a full tour. All right, so we already took out the washer and dryer, and then here is the hot water heater and the furnace. Just walking through, we already cleared out so much stuff. I'm going to show you that here before we cleared out all of this stuff, but my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at all of this. And I can't wait to get all of these windows open and just let some sunshine in. Like, my goodness. I need the sunshine. I don't know about you, but I need the sunshine. I need it. So much going on here. We're going to take down all of those things. We're going to take down walls. Like, my goodness, this place is going to be so beautiful at the end. But man, it is a lot of work. This room was actually lined on both walls with just cabinets and stuff. And so we already cleared those out. But look, there are no lights in this room except for this little tiny one. So we're definitely going to change that. We're letting the sun in. We're going to bring that sunshine in for sure. We're going to completely gut this thing. My goodness. Yeah, we're gutting it. Whole thing's coming out. I'm so excited about the new kitchen. I love new kitchens. This is one of the bedrooms. So the bedrooms don't have lights in the ceilings. It's just these little wall sconces. So we're going to have to change that, because we cannot just be having little tiny wall sconces. We just can't. There's a big old shed out back. But look, we have to clear out all of this, guys. Everything. This is what every room's like. And it was actually, we cleared out so much. We did 2 26-foot moving trucks of just stuff. This is one of the other bedrooms. Guys. And we cleared out stuff already. Like a significant amount. And there's still just so much. Oh my goodness. All right, and this is the last bedroom. This is the master. So you got a double closet there. I love the windows in this room. I feel like it really just helps it so much. But there were like multiple dressers on this wall. And also like, guys, I can't. I'm gonna need to get rid of that thing. I almost forgot to show you guys, there is a foyer, which I'm actually really excited about. I think it's gonna be really, really cute. Right now it's not cute at all. There's just stuff. And also like these little bows painted on the top of all the ceilings, but it is what it is. But it's gonna be so cute when we're done with it. I really can't wait. I'm really, really excited. We also have to fully gut and renovate both of the bathrooms in the house. So this is the master bathroom. There's a door off of the hallway where the washer and dryer is, and a door in the master to this bathroom. So we'll be completely ripping out everything in this bathroom and fully renovating it because it most definitely needs it. And then this is the hall bath, which will also get a full renovation and a clean out. They're gonna look so great at the end, but it definitely feels like a lot of work. But for now, we're moving on to the cleanup outside. So all of those giant bushes out front all needed to be torn out. We could not believe how big even just this one boxwood had gotten. Thankfully, Jason bought a chainsaw, which he was rather happy about because who doesn't love a good new power tool? And he pulled all of this boxwood out. This whole pile is one single plant. That is how big it got. And it's crazy. There were so many like this, from the vines that started growing up onto the brick to all of these crazy gigantic bushes, that it took even a couple days to clear most of it out, and we're still not even quite done yet. But we got everything cleared out from around the house, which was our most important goal right now. You can tell from here that the brick was very, very dirty and definitely needed to be cleaned. But first we had to get out every single bush. And these are all the bushes just from in front of the garage. So this is all of the brush from the front yard and from along the side fences. Oh my gosh, look at all of this. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to get a wood chipper because this is just so much stuff. And we're not even done. We haven't done the trails or anything else. Oh my goodness.
All that anyway, we're gonna take that brush, put it over there.
Okay.
And then I will finish getting this back there later.
All right. Luke, you're crazy. We realized after putting all of the bushes in the backyard that we actually blocked off the sheds and some other things that we needed. So we decided to move them to the side yard, and the kids were an amazing help with this. We weren't planning on doing it the evening that we stopped by, but everybody was willing to help and ready to go. It made it so much easier to make this giant pile, and they actually had a blast. We think it's great for them to get to be involved with renovating the house and see all of the hard work that goes into it. The next morning brought a few unexpected surprises at the house. We came in to find that there were a couple leaks from where we had the water turned on that morning. It was kind of chaotic. We also, when looking under the sinks for more leaks, found some pretty interesting electrical work that I'm going to show you right here. Yeah. So they put in electrical, and I can tell because it's labeled shed. After you move all this junk right here, there's a tag. See that, babe? Mm-hmm. And it says shed. So the electrical is going through the back of the cabinets by the sink water with a random surge protector, because that's a good idea. And I'm guessing this switch turns on the shed light back there.
Well, we'll check it out. But I gotta get to this other stuff. Is it
Yeah.
like there's any leaks?
I did not see any leaks down here. Thankfully, there were no leaks under the sink, so we could move our focus back outside where it needed to be. It was time to wash and scrub the brick. So Jason took his power washer and pre-soaked all of the brick, and then I scrubbed it with a mixture of TSP, water, and bleach. This was a great process to do because after I scrubbed it, Jason would come by and rinse it once again to rinse off all of the mold, mildew, and dirt that had been scrubbed away. But when it came to cleaning the soffits and the gutters, I did not like having the TSP and bleach splash on me. So Jason got me this full bodysuit. It looks rather hilarious cleaning the house in this, but it worked out great and I didn't get any of the chemicals on my skin. And everything got very clean, which is exactly what we needed it to do. The whole process of cleaning the brick actually took longer than we expected. We were hoping to get it all done in one day, but Jason had to work on it the next day. We did get most of it done and worked until dark, but it was definitely a lot dirtier than what we realized. A common theme with this house is that everything is just taking longer than what we originally expected. This isn't the best thing because of the fact that with painting the brick, we need it to be a certain temperature outside. So we had to just work with what we could and work as long as we could. My back was definitely tired after this day, and so was Jason's. But the exciting days were coming ahead. The new driveway was going to be put in, and we knew that was going to just help the house look so much better than what it did. We were just hoping for no hiccups when it came to putting the driveway in that next day. All right, so a little bit of chaos at the house this morning. So Jason had me come over here. They're redoing the driveway, but we didn't realize that they needed water to redo the driveway, and so we had the water turned off at the street because the water main in the house is leaking, and we haven't fixed it yet because we're doing the outside because we have to do that before it gets cold. So yeah, so I was over here and it's all just like craziness, but thankfully the guys want to go through a bunch of stuff in the garage and take it, which would be huge because I'm pretty sure that's just like one dumpster alone for that garage, so that will be a huge help. And I'm just like, take whatever you want. I just take whatever you want in there. It's crazy, but it'll be good. We'll show you the driveway when it's done, but right now it just feels a little bit crazy, and homeschool got delayed a little bit this morning with that, but thankfully with homeschooling we have the flexibility. We don't have to worry about those things as much. But yeah, we'll take you along to see the new driveway. And there it is. I'll show you guys the before here in a second, but it was definitely worth it to recap the driveway. Now that we have cleared the landscaping, cleaned the brick, and gotten the new driveway, we are ready to paint the outside of the house. But you'll have to tune in next time for that one. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you never miss a video. See you next time.